How's it going, guys? We are headed up to Big Bear.
Bang, 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 meow, 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 meow.
Headed up to Big Bear for a camping trip. A little different this week. We're doing some freshwater fishing, trout fishing.
Big week.
Yeah, we're headed up camping and we're gonna try to fit in some fishing. So hopefully we catch some trout. Hopefully we do some cooking of the trout, and I can show some setups that Josh has advised we use for trout. So we'll see how it goes. We just made a stop at Barron's. Shout out Shimmy.
Shout out Josh.
Dane is the new Josh this week.
I'm Josh.
Still got another hour and a half till we get to Big Bear. It won't be like till 8:30, so it's tough. Then we're going fishing tomorrow morning, and it seems like the weather's gonna be good, so hopefully we do well.
See us out there in the water, baby.
Don't water. Oh, that's why people are going to that side. The wind is pushing everything this way. Alright, guys.
What's up?
It's early in the morning.
Duty stays.
Welcome back. We've got our first line in the water. Found out when we got here early that there is a trout tournament going on. So there's people lined up along this bank. That bank is definitely a little better. We got some wind coming this way, so it's gonna be pushing our bobbers back towards us, but it's really light right now, so I'm hoping that it's not a big deal. And I will show you what we're doing today for rigging. Nice. Dane's chucking things into the water while we're trying to trout fish. Trying to find my bobber. Going out by that rock. I don't know if that's the right move, but it's the move we're doing. The problem with these clear bobbers is I can't see it for garbage. So, hey, and if you guys are wondering what it's like fishing with Dude these days, he throws one cast. He thinks that it's cool to throw a really light spinner on 15-pound test.
It didn't go anywhere.
Yeah, I remember when oh buddy, you're gonna knot it up.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, you just tied a knot in it. I'm done. I got other things to be doing. We gotta adjust this. I don't know what Dane's doing over here. What's this bobber?
It's just random.
It's just a bobber?
Yeah.
Alright, Dane's been fishing nothing this whole time because he chucked it and it got wrapped all around here. It's literally impossible to fish with this man. Dude, why am I fixing your things? Oh, thank God that came out. That is way too long. That is a 2-foot leader. We're looking for about a 1-foot leader, and this needs to come up. Actually, we'll leave it that low.
Those things are way easier.
I think that thing just wrapped up again.
Huh?
I think that just wrapped up again because Dane's got... Unbelievable. I'm getting bit.
Nice.
I think we're on. This is on the power bait. There we go. I'm not really, no, I didn't lose him. Not experienced on fighting trout, so I'm just trying to go real smooth with him. Dane's caught in my line. Alright, so he's gonna be coming up right here. We do not have a net. That was kind of the one thing we didn't bring. So I'm just trying to finesse this guy.
Do we have a stringer?
Yeah. Hey Dane, you might need to help me here, buddy. Oh. I'm sacrificing wet shoes right now because I'd rather. No, no, you're good. Maybe step down here, duties. Just don't get too wet. No. It's just a trout. We just don't need to freak out.
I'm sure you can just drag it up here too. Oh,
that's a perfect size trout. God. Don't easy on the line. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful recovery. Nice, buddy. Yep. Thank you. Of
course. Nice fish.
Thanks.
Good start, buddy.
Yeah.
What'd you put on that thing? That one's all bait.
Power bait. Right on. First fish.
Nice fish, baby.
Day was a success.
Yep, that's all that matters, that one fish.
Probably gonna have to retie that anyways. Beautiful rainbow trout right there. That is beautiful. Look at that. What more could you ask for? I guess more fish. Sweet, sweet. Retie.
Nothing that's gonna come.
That was when it got bit. I cast it here, right by this rock. Got bit right about in here. And it was on extra scent glitter power bait. Fish are still jumping. Gotta get back out there. Gotta put these tournament guys to shame. Sounds like a couple of them already caught them though. They're all super nice too. Talking to a couple of them. Didn't want to encroach on the tournament. So we kind of came to our own side. It's not ideal on this side, but making it work. Out here to have a good time. Alright, we are retied. Just want to get a nice little pea size going on. Oopsies.
Is it on?
Alright, Dane's on. Let me get this one in.
Wait, let's see where we are. Yep. Under. You're good. Can you go down in the water?
Yeah, absolutely. Bring him over here.
There we go. Wow.
Let him do his thing. Keep him away from the rocks.
Oh, that's a big guy.
Is he?
Yeah.
It's a nice one.
No, he's decent.
He's nice.
Let's go. We got 3.
It's a great fish, duties.
Let me see that guy. You see the hook?
Gotcha. Good job, duties. Okay, so this is where we're fishing. Down here, I don't know if you can see some of the bobbers, but definitely not on the best side of the lake. But like I said, there's a lot of people over there. And we've caught 3. We've only seen one other guy catch one over here. I mean, we're just kind of focusing around the rock. I'm just kind of letting it drift down, and we're focusing on the other side of the rock. Just kind of looking for them. They're out there. They're still jumping, but bite definitely died down later in the morning. So, but still beautiful. So this is how we're cleaning these fish.
You're just a cam boy.
Definitely not a cam girl. Thing out of him. Ooh, this one's got roe. Look at that. Want some trout roe? You want to try it?
No.
Really? Have some trout roe. Pretty fishy.
Is it?
Wanna try some?
Sure. And this is
Trout roe, eggs. Should have fished with it.
ooh, not.
No way you just gagged from that, dude. You also gotta eat the heart. Sure you don't want the heart, duties?
Huh?
Sure you don't want the heart?
Yeah.
Little trout heart. Pretty good, actually. You ready? Unbelievable.
Are you gonna let yourself down?
Do you know who I am?
You don't want this over here. So.
No, I don't care. I don't know how it got over there in the first place.
Yeah, like if we were going out for the competition, we probably wouldn't have caught fish.
I know. Try too hard.
Yeah.